So our topic this day is all about one value to multiple variables in Python. An example with comments. Hashtag declare the same value to multiple variables. A equals B equals C equals 5. Hashtag print the values. Print open parenthesis A equals double quote comma A close parenthesis, so the output is A equals 5. Second, print open parenthesis double quote B equals double quote comma B close parenthesis, so the output is B equals 5. Print open parenthesis double quote C double quote comma C close parenthesis, the output is 5. Syntax: bar 1 equals bar 3 equals value.